Destination on the left side, in 430 feet. You have arrived at your destination, on the left side, Love's travel stop number 221. Warning, track weight violation. Warning, track weight violation. In 900 feet, turn right on, Box Road, CR1.
Man, there shuts up. Here, park it. And a gentle bump on the curb. Now, even though I have shower credits for the TA, I prefer Pilot Flying J showers.
In a quarter mile, turn left on US 127.
They're just better in my opinion, at least for what I like. I just think overall they're better maintained. They have better aesthetics. They're just better, you know, staffed. They're more frequently, you know, cleaned a lot quicker than the TA ones typically are. They, you know, they have better pressure, better heat. Now the heat and the pressure and the flow is all just better consistency. You know, so it's just like it's just a better quality
You have
shower.
arrived at your destination on the right side. Pilot Travel Center number 286.
Okay, we're gonna
In 400 feet, make a U-turn
cut
if
through
possible
here.
and then turn left in 680 feet.
looks quite full, so that is a parking spot right there. There's one right there as well. Let's so we're gonna get out of the people in the fuel lane way. Let them get out the way, then we will. There he goes. And we're gonna slide right here into this end unit. Get a little tight with our turn, but take it nice and slow, so we shouldn't be too much of a problem. Let's see here. There we go. Turn that off. It's a little tight, but we might be brushing right up against the curb, but shouldn't be too bad. May have to pull forward to adjust again, but as long as we don't hit nobody, it'll be okay. I think we got enough room, may not have to. Yeah, we just need to straighten up a little bit, and we got a little room. We got a bit of room on the right side. We can get a lot closer to that to the outside. Give enough room for everybody to get in and out. Less chance of getting hit. Guy on my left is a little bit crooked in the lane, but he's still on his side of the line, so it shouldn't matter. We're a little angled in, but our back is in just slightly more than our front. Yeah. Bump that curb a little bit. There we go. A little bit harder, but still not too bad. Alrighty. So we are done for the day. Get out and do our post trip, and we'll be good. Turn that off. Let's go take a look at what we got. So here's our line right there. See, we're nice and far away from that as we can get. The guy on my driver's side, he's all just angled in. He's like just willy-nilly. Let's take a look back here. Yeah, dirty, muddy, yucky. All right, so that's everything's looking good back here. There's our load. There's the back there. It's a nice big open field. Nice, so it looks like a cornfield over there. Tucked up. right against the curb. See, we're a little further out here. A little further out there, but we're good. Load's doing good. Straps are good. No problems.